Hello my friends. Do you know of a god who in his childhood was very mischievous, brave and intelligent? Yes, that is indeed Krishna Bhagwan. He grew up to be the teacher of the whole world. Before the Mahabharata war, he spoke to Arjuna about different ways of doing well in life. Those tips not only helped Arjuna but also help us all. For example, in the second chapter of Bhagvadgita, Bhagwan Krishna says, Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smriti vibhramaha, smriti bhramshat buddhinasho, buddhinashat pranashyati. Anger leads to destruction. How? We all know the story of a rabbit and a lion. When the lion got to know about the other lion, he really got very angry. Did he check the facts at that time? Did he check whether it was really the other lion or just the reflection of himself in the well water? No, he did not check. He did not try to know whether it is right or not. Why? Because he was very angry, and probably because he did not know this shloka from Bhagavad Gita. So, let us learn more from Krishna Bhagwan's Gita. Do join this course.